you need to deposit it, you need to read it, you need to stay on it. The more your ability to hold what you are receiving at your mind level, to the extent that it becomes a part of your life, it can happen unconsciously. To that extent, will your success in life be expressed. Nobody ever jumps into something that he has not premeditated upon that became part of the person. Nobody ever jumps into something and succeed without such insights. So, where we are, the church, the training sessions, the teaching sessions are opportunities whereby you store in that which can make your life speak for a better result in the next 2 months, the next 6 months, the next 1 year. But one of the beautiful things is that you have the opportunity and you have the capacity to uninstall and rewrite what you didn't like and bring in what you want, so that it can begin to form a pattern that your life will produce. So we see in the scripture says, and be not conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. The renewing of your mind. The elements by which you see what you want to see in your life, by which you achieve what you want to achieve in your life, is the renewing of your mind. How do you renew your mind? By installation. Okay, now we have the mind chapters, things we are dropping every day on the page, on our Wisdom King page. Okay, if you look at it, we see on last Sunday we deposited, I am happy, I am healthy, I am secure, I am calm and confident about life. Now, throughout the day, your mind may be ringing back on that fact. What does it mean? I am happy, I am healthy. The first point is that this thing is a positive thought that you want to see happen in your life. You want to be